All right, Partnerhub version 1.9 still. We're not technically at version 2 yet, but we are releasing changes and updates every week just about. But this one's big enough, so I thought I'd record a new video. So if you're brand new to Partnerhub, I'll walk you through some of the features. If you have used Partnerhub, the things that you should know about that are new. Live offers are here now, so backlink opportunities, co-marketing opportunities, sometimes free accounts that the tech companies offer agencies only. Here, these should be offers that you qualify for. And the way it works is when you are creating your profile, you tell us the target vertical and the size of clients that you work with. So do the tech companies. And based on the two selling to the same customer profile, you will have both live offers that you should qualify showing up here. So those are the last 5 that were submitted that, again, you qualify for. And also in your curated backlog, there may be more. We're only going to show 5 on the home page. So if you want to look at more, head to the curated backlog, filter by live offers. Now, what else is new? So the next thing is you'll notice it's a drawer style profile, which just gives you more real estate to engage with this profile. And if you're new to Partnerhub, or even if you've used Partnerhub, the main thing to know here is, unlike a typical project management tool where you just create tasks and then you archive those tasks, these cards are your partners and they follow you throughout the life of the partnership. So we'll come out with new designs and new layouts and different ways to engage with this, but this is your interaction with this product and partner, and everything that you guys talked about, tasks, referrals, all of that is in the profile. So with this particular profile here, when I schedule my first call with this partner, I want to set expectations, timelines, and objectives. So this is another new feature recently. It's called memorandums. And the idea here is whatever promises we made to make sure that the partnership is reciprocal and we're both doing what we agreed to get the most out of the partnership, those are called partner memorandums, or that's what we call them. I've heard them called partnerships proposition, something else, but memorandums, that works. So we call it a memorandum. There's a new memo button here. Pretty soon you'll see a PDF export icon here. And we want you to create multiple memos with this partner. So every call you'll make new memos. And then when you feel like it's necessary, you can export it as a PDF and maybe send it off to the partner and just say, thanks for the time today. Just so we're both on the same page, here are the memos that I put in our memorandum. And it'll have a nice header and an export as a PDF so you can send that off. If you're new to Partnerhub, everything that you do with partners is a project. So you have new tech partnerships, then you have agency partnerships, then you have events, could be tech or other agency that you run events with, co-selling, and we'll be coming out with a go-to-market partnership project pretty soon, which means this new button will turn blue again. If you're new to Partnerhub, one of the best things you can do inside Partnerhub is to shop for partners. So if you're looking for tech partners, you can shop by vertical, client size, or user size in that case. The platform that the tech company is either integrated with or in some way works inside that ecosystem, partnership offering, and what service the solution makes easier or better. If you're looking for agency partners, you can do the same thing, but you have this filter that I really like. It's called primary area of advisory. So if you're looking for referral partners, a great way to do it is start with agencies that sell to the same ecosystem, target customer size, vertical, but don't sell your services. So if you're a traffic driving agency, maybe you want to partner with development agencies or design agencies, website builders. You can also shop agencies by location, country. It's not necessary on the tech side, but on the agency side, sometimes it is. If you're in Canada, maybe you want an agency partner based in the US. Opportunities, you'll need to know how to use this if you're new to Partnerhub, or if you've never used it, try it out. You can submit project leads or co-marketing opportunities. Good examples, project lead is, you don't have the capacity to take on this project and you'd like either commission from it or you want to use it to start new relationships with new partners. That's the best way to start a partnership, is bring a referral to the table. Now, co-marketing, you can do things like create a white paper with other agencies in your vertical, and you share in the leads, but you share in the work and you share in the promotions. An event or a webinar is probably the easiest. You can choose what type of agency it goes out to. You can even choose what service you want to require that they sell. So if it's an email project, maybe you want to require they sell email marketing, and you can also write stipulations for who qualifies. And then, of course, opportunities go out. If it is a referral, as soon as you two connect in Partnerhub, you can submit a referral in this way to that agency. So if it was a project, agencies reply, you pick an agency you want to give the project to, and then you submit a referral. In this version, you have to submit referrals to other Partnerhub users. Pretty soon, you'll see a field show up for, if they are not in Partnerhub, enter their email, and then all of this information will be emailed directly to that person. So you can send it to anyone in or outside of Partnerhub. I like this drop down, follow-up instructions. Do not reach out. I will run the lead. Feel free to reach out. Now, you may be thinking, well, what if I want to pay my partners? That is coming very soon too. You'll have a payments option to send and receive money. Inviting partner prospects. So let's just say a tech company reaches out. Do you have their email? Yes, I do. They're not technically partners, so you don't want to invite them as a partner, but you want them in Partnerhub so you can see what their profile would look like, and maybe they reached out to you cold, so you'll just say, you know what, create your profile in Partnerhub, I'll review you there. So you can say, yes, I've got their email, fill this out, and it will send them a request to join Partnerhub, and then you can track whether or not they've joined in the request area of the marketplace. You can also say, you know what, I do not have their email, and I really want HubSpot.com in this platform, but I don't know a contact. When you add that, like someone sent Vidyard here, all right, this user, sorry, sent Vidyard. Admin will find the contact for this company and add the contact, and then the invite will go out. Now, management of partners. So day-to-day management is project-based. Where are we at in what project? But you'll see a calendar icon, so you can schedule calls quickly. Memos, chats, docs, offers, contact, referrals. Now, if you're on the phone with a client and you're not sure if you have a partner for that blank, you also have filters here. So you can say, hold on, let me check, and I'll see if I have a partner for that use case or that need. Requests sent as partnership requests. So if you actually invite a partner based on an email address, and I think you need name and title under partners area. If you have their email and you're inviting them under this tab here, tech, add a partner, or agency, add a partner, it will assume that you guys know each other and automatically connect you two once they finish their profile. You can also import partners. You can do a bulk import. And then new matches. So you will get requests from other agencies to partner as well. You will get interest requests from tech companies. So these will be agencies or other tech companies that invite you to partner based on your email. You can view their profile. You can see what they do, what ecosystems they work in, services they sell, etc. You can approve them, deny them, or you can request a call and then approve or deny after the call. Okay, so I was just about to show you, yes, the interest tab. This is also new, so I should have said this at the beginning. Apologies. But the interest tab are tech companies that have expressed interest in your profile. Now, it's important to note that we do not show your agency name or URLs to the tech users. It's all blurred out on their side. All they see are your profile details. And at the bottom, they see a button that says show interest. Now, we do not send you a notification. We don't even send you an email when someone expresses interest, like Bright Pearl has here. We just put them on this list. And it's up to you to come into the interest area and say, you know what? I'll request partnership from Bright Pearl. And then the request will go off, just like any request workflow. Okay, team settings are here. If you don't want to show yourself in the marketplace, you can do so here. Members, team members, you can invite by member or an admin. Oh, yeah, I know what that is. We got to get that fixed. Members are teammates that you do not want to receive notifications or update settings. Admins can do that. Basically anything the owner can do. The owner is just the first user to create the account in this version. Pretty soon you'll have different member versus admin settings, and owners will be able to adjust those settings. If you need to change ownership, just edit the owner's email, name, and LinkedIn, and then whoever email that is, they'll just have to click forgot password on app.partnerhub.app. I think it's /forgot. Integrations, let's talk about that real quick. So we have pre-built guided flows based on what our first wave of users really wanted. You may need something else, like add to intercom contacts or add to a campaign in MailChimp, something like that, active campaign triggers. So just let us know under the feedback, submit an idea. I need a connector for active campaign. We have 150 connectors built. These are just the only guided flows that we show. So we may already have the connector. But make sure you set up Slack at the very least to get notifications in Slack. Okay, that is the bulk of it. Day-to-day stuff or just week-to-week stuff. I like creating tasks for myself. You can do that. You don't have to assign a partner. And just have a list of things that you need to check off right here. Documents, you want to have your logo, your sales one-sheeter, your customer persona one-sheeter, maybe a capabilities deck, something like that. Discussions is just chat with partners. Nothing fancy there. Activity feed doesn't have anything that you'll need to check on. Pretty soon we're going to change it to feed, and it's going to show your partners' activity as well. So long as you guys are partners and they have that feature turned on, it will show here. So you can see like Alex has partnered with Rob, and you can reach out and say, Rob, you know what? I'd love an intro to Alex. Support, feedback again is here. Community is our training center. So we have crash courses, we have weekly workshops, we have networking inside here. And then I'll show you Slack as well is getting pretty interesting. We make a lot of intros in Slack. A lot of people just meet through this intros channel. And of course, you can just chat us when you need customer support. And it's much faster and easier for most people. So you use Slack, or you can head to help.partnerhub.app. It's linked under the question mark. And read resources or submit a request. If it's a bug, we have a feedback channel in Slack if that's easier, but you can use this. Just please tell us the browser and take a screenshot and describe whatever is relevant. I think that's about it. If you join and you haven't been in Slack yet, please let us know so we can get you an invite to Slack. Thanks again. My name is Alex. I'm the founder. Reach out to me in Slack and say hi.